Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can make these coil pots. They're really fantastic and they're absolutely solid, and you can keep plants in them or fruit in them or whatever you like. They are made with this coil pot cording, which is really quite rigid. You cover that with a strip of fabric, and the fabric can just be torn up into about an inch wide strip. You then wrap the fabric around the cord really quite tightly so it's nice and smooth. Clip it so it doesn't come undone. I've only done a little bit here today just to show you, but if I was at home I would actually carry on and probably wind the whole of the 30 meters. You then stitch it together on the sewing machine using a narrow zigzag stitch. The zigzag is about between 1.5 and 2 wide, dependent on your sewing machine. Any domestic sewing machine will do this as long as it has a zigzag stitch. You continue to sew, and the needle is just picking up the fabric on either side. You're not actually stitching through the cord. You continue to go round and round, and eventually the base of your pot is big enough. Now you've got to come up the sides. All you do, you've got this on the machine, you lift the side like that, and because you've lifted it, the angle at which you're stitching here will be different, and you continue round and the sides, as if by magic, will start to come up. So then you carry on with the pot on its side, still stitching on the edge, and the pot will start to grow out this way. Shaping is done by either lifting the pot a little more, that will make the sides go in, or pulling it out a bit, which will make the sides of the pot go out, as you can see here. Here I've gone in and here I've come out. It's an ideal way of using up any scraps of fabric that you've got. This is made with over 30 different fabrics, but they were just all small pieces that I happen to have. It's a lovely way to make containers and recycling any of those scraps that you've saved. I hope you've enjoyed the workshop.